Alright, welcome and subscribe to our channel when you feel it's good. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching. My topic today is adding a rule. So when you add a rule, you just go to your people and then you add a rule there. See? So I'm here in the rule here and I want to add a guest or just a blog or blogger. So I add here a rule. So this will be in our database. That is one. We cannot change this one once we add this one. So this is the rule name. So we put here blogger. And then, or just say blog. So we could save the spacing on the permission. I think we have a name here, a blog already in the machine code. So we make sure there's no duplicate or redundancy. That's the machine name we put. I put their blogger and I'll be adding the permission on here. So just click the permission. And then, by the way, this is the, forgot to say something here. This is the, our access that we have here. The permission, you have the administrator, content guy, podcast talk, and then we just add the blogger. And then we click here the permission. So this one I'm using the Drupal 8 and this is the permission of our blogger here, this one. So this will be the permission that they need to acquire. So it's been customized here. Okay, we just check that one. And then edit comments. The right can edit the comments. And then we have here the content. Use context link. And then it's the user interface there. Comments. And then what else do you have to get? The media here. Delete any images, create a media here. You just the blogger there. So they are a guest. So there we go. Create new content. That's for the blogger. And then what else? You can create the content and article, delete all content and edit on content. So find the article here. This is the article. Need to find the article so they can also edit any content. I will not allow that one. Edit on, there we go. Edit on content, they can edit. Edit on content. And what else do we have here? Yeah, I think that's the access they need, and they need also the URL here they can add for the search engine, which is very useful for them. And allow users to use use a panel dashboard would be good for you. And access in editing, access in place editing. Okay, that we go there. And then the search. I don't think they need to search a lot. Just type, they just add the entry. Submission. And then here is you can change. Change own username. Yeah, they change their own username there and view user information. All right, that's it. All right, that's it they can need. So again, we review. They just access the check mark that we put. They can edit. That's the check mark we put there. And then they can also, all right, that's the article you want to write. And then delete own. Let's delete own content. And yeah, edit own content. Use the dashboard panel and the URL. They could put it. Determine whether to not use identify path alpha. And then this is determined or not user are notified. The path has been changed. Use toolbar. Use the toolbar also that you're going to be using. Okay, maybe we have done it all. Use the toolbar. Statistic, view content hits, check, access, create. So now I'm just reviewing here, so we could know. This is the access the content overview, the page. Okay, that's it for the blogger, and then we save the permission. All right, so we just create the permission that they need. And then next time you know is to, yeah, we need to check, need to log in the other. We just wait for a while. All right, here we're gonna be, yeah, adding the permission, the blogger, and then we just create, and then we just check this one, the blog, and contact form, and I'll just put the blogger, he'll be the one to put that one. So we just create now. So it has been created right now. So we just, yeah. So we will have to log in here for a while. So we just access, this is the access we just created. So you just type here the title and then the things you need to done for as a guest writer. So that's it. Everything is working well now, and you have the blogger access already. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.